Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: developer options enabled, ADB or Android Studio ready, and overlay permission granted. Open your project or create a minimal activity that will host the floating view. Add the system alert window or action manage overlay permission request, then request it at runtime so the app can draw above other apps. Once granted, prepare a simple layout XML for the floating window and create a service to control it. This moves the UI outside a single activity and lets it persist. You now build the floating UI and attach it to the window manager. Create window manager. Layout params with type application overlay on Android O+, and the correct width and height. Choose wrap content for flexible sizing. Use flag not focusable so touches pass through when needed, and pixel format. Translucent for smooth visuals. Inflate your view in the service, then call window manager. Add view params. Once added, implement touch listeners to drag and buttons to close. This gives users control and a fluid, native feeling overlay. You finish by cleaning up and making the overlay robust. Ensure the service removes the view in on destroy, and always check has overlay permission before add view to avoid crashes. Handle different Android versions. Fall back gracefully or prompt the user when type application overlay is unavailable. Test edge cases like orientation changes and low memory scenarios. If the window won't appear, check for denied overlay permission. Inspect logs for bad token exception and verify layout params type and flags. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.